Okay, welcome students and dear friends. We have studied about the sign convention and what are the signs which is being implied on F, U and V, that is a focal length, image distance and object distance while solving it. Now in this section of the video we will be solving one question so that it is clear when and how to use the signs in the variables, that is your U, V and F. Starting with this question, the first thing which you have to do is find out the given along with the sign from the given question. First we have to write what is given in the question. So starting with the solution, first of all we will write what is given. Read the question. An object 5 centimeter in length. So here the height of the object is given. Means height of object. Height of the object is taken as h and h is equal to 5 centimeter. Now proceeding further in the question, we can see the object height is 5 centimeter is placed at a distance of, means the object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. Means here the mirror is convex and the object distance U is equal to 20 centimeter. Now as we have learnt in sign convention, value of U is always negative, and here also we have taken the value, so the value will be negative. Here itself it would be better to write negative so that while copying down the value you can use the sign, because while solving in the formula maybe you forget to do so. Okay, now proceeding further, in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter, means R is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, now as we know the mirror formula, in the mirror formula there is no use of R, means R is not implied. In the mirror formula it is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. We need to know F. So from this we can derive that F is equal to R by 2. R is equal to 30 centimeter by 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we know that F can also be negative or positive, both. So we will go to the mirror. Which type of mirror it is? It is a convex mirror, and the focal length of convex mirror is always positive. So here we will write plus 15 centimeter. Now these all things are given. Proceeding further, we will use these values in the mirror formula. Mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. F is equal to plus 15 centimeter. So 1 by plus 15 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 20. So here you have to solve this. We need to find out the image distance. See, find the position means the image distance. Nature means it is a real or virtual image. And the third is size, means the size is diminished, magnified or of same size. You mean to say you have to find out the magnification. Now while solving this, we will take this 1 by 15. This is your minus, so here it is coming 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to, it will be 15 into 20. Either you find out like this or you find out through LCM. 15 into 20, it will be 20 plus 15. So here your V comes to be 1 by V is equal to 7 by 60. Now you can see it is a reciprocal and we need to find out V. So do this reciprocal. V is equal to 60 by 7 centimeter. Now we always know that the distance cannot be written in fraction, it is unit. Okay, so here we will find out 60 by 7 is equal to 8.5. It is approximately 8.5 centimeter, or you can go further also. I have just taken it to one decimal place. It is 8.5 centimeter. This is the approximate position of image. Now you have to find the nature. Nature means you have to find the virtual or real image. Now, as we have done the conclusion, if value of V is negative or positive, you can see here the value of V is equal to plus 8.5 centimeter. And when the value of V is positive, it is a virtual image. We have done in the conclusion, virtual image. From here, you have come to the second solution of it. Position is 8.5 centimeter from the mirror. Nature is virtual image. And the third part, that is your size of the image. Size of the image means you have to find the magnification. Now magnification M is equal to minus V by U. Value of V is 60 by 7. It is minus plus 60 by 7 into value of U is minus 20. Minus 20. Minus minus cancelled out. This is 1 times, this is 3 times. Okay. So you can find it. Magnification is 3 by 7. This is the magnification 3 by 7. Now you can see it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Its value will always be less than 1. And when the value is less than 1, then the magnification is diminished. Means as the M value is less than 1, the image is diminished. So from here we are finding out the size of the image, that is image is smaller than the object, as the magnification of this mirror at the distance of 20 centimeter object is coming to be less than 1. So the image is smaller than the object. This is how we will solve the question and find the answer of the question.